In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Magic Write in Canva. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Canva recently launched Magic Write, an AI-powered content writer using OpenAI. This tool enables quick content creation within Canva, known for its user-friendly design and content creation capabilities. To use Canva's Magic Write feature efficiently, log in to your Canva account or sign up if you don't have one. Note that Magic Write is free for all users, but free users have a limit of 25 Magic Write uses over the lifetime of their account. Canva Pro provides unlimited access. Inside your Canva Pro account, navigate to Docs or use the search feature to find document templates. Choose a document template or start with a blank document. Add a title to your document. Click on the How to Use Magic Write in Docs plus icon and select Magic Write. Add a prompt and click Enter. Canva will generate content based on your prompt. You can review and modify the generated text to suit your needs. Magic Write provides a starting point for your content. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. Magic Write streamlines content creation, making it a valuable tool for various personal and commercial purposes. Magic Write helps you save time, brainstorm ideas, and draft content quickly. Customize the generated content to make it your own. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.